In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube banner for your YouTube channel with Canva. When completed successfully, you'll have a design for your full TV view, desktop, and all other devices. So first thing you want to do is create an account on Canva. You can either create a free one or you can create a paid one. The paid one gives you more options with pictures and designs and everything. I have a paid version. I would recommend the paid version, and if you are interested in getting the paid version, I left the link below for you to sign up. So first thing you want to do is go over to create design and look for YouTube banner. Either it pops up or you need to type it in the search box. So let's click YouTube banner. And then the next thing that we're going to do is we need to put a ruler. So I already have my ruler set up, but what you're going to need to do is go over to File, hit Setting, and Show Rulers and Guides. This is what's going to help you set up the guidelines for your YouTube banner. So what you're going to do is click the 0 at the top, and you're going to get a horizontal line. You're going to click it and then drag it down to 423. Once you find 423, or if you get close to it, zoom in so that you can accurately get 423, because that's the size that we're going to need to create our banner. So now that we got our line, the next thing that we're going to need is a square. So we're going to go over to Elements, click Square if you see it, or type in Square. So now what you're going to do is use that newly created line to get your box to 423. So what you're going to do is click the square box, and then you're going to click the 3 dots at the side and hit position and move to the middle. So now your box is in the middle. You're going to get another line from the horizontal line from the top. So you're going to drag another horizontal line from the top and place it on the bottom of the square. And then you're going to adjust the top line to the top of the square, like so. So now what we're going to do is drag both sides to each end of the page, and that's going to be our desktop, our banner size. So the next thing that we're going to do is create for all devices. So now we're going to need a vertical line. The vertical line number that we're going to need for this is 1546. So the vertical line that we're going to create, you got to collect it from 0. We're going to look for 1546. That's the length, or that's where we need our number to be. So same thing in what we did with the horizontal line, zoom in and get to 1546. Such precision. Okay, so once we have our line at 1546, we're going to duplicate our rectangle. So click the box, hit the duplicate button, the plus sign that says duplicate, we hit that. And we're also going to want to change the color. So now we're going to need to select a different color. So go to the top, hit the orange, and then choose your color. So I chose pink. Now we're going to overlap the two boxes together. And what we're going to do is drag the right side all the way to our newly created line. And then we're going to do the same thing we did with the orange box. And we're going to select position and center. So that's where we need our line to be. Now we're going to move the vertical line to the edge of the right line and grab the next line to the left, and this is going to be our YouTube banner for pretty much any page that we have. So now we got that all set up, we can delete these two boxes and we can start drafting our YouTube banner. So you can go over to the design, or you can go over to design and select any of the YouTube banners, or you can create your own. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to select one from the design category. So here, as you can see, it's a pretty straightforward template. I can change the background color if I like. So here, let's try yellow. It doesn't look that good. Maybe a purple. Still doesn't look good. Neon green. Whatever you choose, doesn't matter. It's up to you how you want your YouTube channel to look. So with the elements that they do have inside already, I can change those to whatever I want to be. So I can change this to my name, Dean the Wealth Coach. I don't think it will fit in here, but I'll try anyways. Yeah, doesn't work. Let's just put Dean. Here you could also change this information. It's up to you, whatever you want to put in this YouTube banner. Feel free to do as you please. So watch me live from 10 p.m. onwards. I don't know who's doing that. Something really cool here is you can use the icons and put hyperlinks to them, so that when people go to your page and they see it, they can click the hyperlinks on your YouTube banner, which is pretty cool. So yeah, so as you can see here, you can make it bigger, move it around. You're pretty much free to do whatever. So as you can see here, I'm adding a link to my Instagram page. So I put in my Instagram handle or my Instagram web handle. See, as you can see here, Dean the Wealth Coach. Now the link is added, so when you look, you'll see the two links. You can click the box with the arrow and boom, it takes you to the site, or it takes you to my Instagram page. So my Instagram page is loading and it worked. And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for some short videos that I do. I like to do a lot of edutainment, where that's educating while entertaining you at the same time. So now back to the YouTube banner. If you want to add photos or a frame or picture of yourself, what you can do. So now if you want to add a photo of yourself, what you can do is you can find a frame as so, type frame in the box under elements, shrink it down, move it to wherever you like. So I'm going to put on the left side. Oh, move my line, let me put my line back. Yeah. So now make the little circle. Now I go to my uploads. I find wrong spot. Oh, there we go. I can take a picture of myself, put it in the box. That one doesn't really work. Alright. There we go. So now my picture is a part of the YouTube banner. Now when you're all said and done and you're good with everything, you're going to go to the top right corner and hit share. Under share, you're going to go down to download. PNG file's fine. And then you're going to hit download. It's going to download it for you, and then you save it to whatever you want to save it to. So now we're going to head over to YouTube and create our newly created banner. So you can select your icon at the side, hit your channel, then you're going to hit customize channel, that blue box right there. Once you're on this page, the channel customization, you're going to hit branding and then scroll down to banner image. Then hit change, find your banner that you just created, hit open, bam, there's your banner. So as you can see here, here's viewable for TV, which is pretty much everything, viewable for desktop, and then the last one is on all devices, pretty much mobile. Once you're satisfied, hit done. I'm not hitting done because I already created my new banner, but you get the point. And voila, we just created our banner. If you want to see what it looks like, you hit that box right over your picture, and ta-da, there you go. So this is a banner that I created. So I have my picture, I also have my hyperlinks there as well, and you're good to go. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, I've linked another video for you to watch next on ChatGTP. It's pretty much a game changer, and this is something that you really want to get on.